Hello everybody, I'm teacher Sheila and today we're going to do some science lessons. Okay, so we are going to be scientists today. Yay! Are you excited? Because I am excited. So, as scientists, we like to make experiments, we like to conduct experiments. Scientists also like to observe what happens when they are carrying out the experiment. We also like to record, or we can recall what happened when we were carrying out the experiments, okay? And we also like to make predictions before we carry out the experiment. So today we are going to make oobleck. Yes, oobleck. Say with me, oobleck. Okay, so oobleck is made from cornstarch or tapioca starch. So, ta-da! It looks like this. Okay, tapioca starch. So we just need to pour it into a cup. Just a little bit would do. All right. So we need 1 part water and 1.5 part cornstarch. Okay, so that means less water and more cornstarch or tapioca starch. So I'm gonna put in. Okay, and we also need a spoon and we need a plate. All right. So pour in your starch, and then we can add some water, but this is a lot of water, so I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time and mix and mix and mix. Okay, a little bit at a time. I'll take another spoon. Yeah, so we don't want it to be too runny. If you feel like your starch is too runny, then you need to add more starch. Okay, now that we're mixing it, it's a bit hard, right? It's a bit hard to mix, but do you think it's going to get easier when you mix it, or is it going to just stay like this? What do you think? I would like you to make a prediction now. Okay, let's predict what will happen. Okay, let's predict. Oh, see, I'm trying to mix it for quite a while now. Oh, whenever I put pressure, it doesn't want me to do it. It doesn't want me to mix. Okay, wow, all right. Seems like it's getting easier, but it's still giving me some. I still have to mix again. Oh, okay, so I'm mixing it, and it's still giving me a hard time. Right.
A few moments later.
Okay, so when we keep mixing, mix and mix, and I've added a bit more starch. See? Let's use our hands. See? When we put pressure, what happens when we put pressure? Does your finger get wet? Not really. But when you put your finger in slowly, it sinks to the bottom and it feels interesting. And when I want to hold it, I can actually I can hold it. So it's like a solid. Wow. It's like a solid, okay? Now, when I want to pour it in a container, okay, look, I have a container here. Look, it flows. It flows like liquid. Wow, look at that. See, I can actually hold it. Wow. So, look. See? Look at it flowing. It's flowing. But it's also solid. I can actually hold it. Look. So this is what we call oobleck. Okay? So oobleck is really interesting. When you put pressure, it can become like a solid. But when you let it go, it can flow like liquid. Okay, so there's a special term for this, and it's called a non-Newtonian fluid. Okay, it's non-Newtonian. So it is not exactly liquid and it's not exactly solid, right? So, wow. So at home, you can have fun with this. You can also put food coloring so it looks colorful, right? Yeah. Wow. See? So nice, right? Yeah. So that's our experiment for today. We made Oobleck. Wow, look at that. Yay. All right, that's all for today. Bye bye.